Hi there guys. If you're having trouble finding an installer to help you with installation on your floor, please go and check the Airtasker link on our website. Now we have a partnership with Airtasker where you can get a discount off using their platform when you buy through online flooring store. What I found was you can spend a lot of time ringing around trying to find someone yourself, or you can post on Airtasker. Now the last time I did this, within half an hour I had a dozen different people contact me, and by the end of the day I had triple that number of people I was talking to. So I had a list of potential people to do the job for me. I went through and I looked at each one and I earmarked a few that what I thought would be the right person for the job. Then I began a dialogue with each of those people. At the end of the day, I then settled on one who did the job for me in an enormously, ridiculously small amount of time, and it was so simple and so easy to use. So quite often people say, oh, with Airtasker you don't know who you're getting. Well, that's actually not the case, because you begin a dialogue with people, they can send you their accreditation, they can send you photos of what the kind of work they've done, and you can talk to them yourself and get a feel for them. So please, if you're stuck with flooring installation, check out our Airtasker partnership and find the person that's right for you to do your job.